So dear students, we are just discussing about the capacitors and their combinations, and the combinations are series combination, parallel combination. So what the net capacitance becomes in these combinations, total capacitance क्या बन जाता है, और why we are just connecting the capacitors and even the resistors in series combination or parallel combination, just to increase or decrease the net value of the network. In these are connected for the capacitor value, net capacitance value, and the net resistance value in the combination of resistances. So इसलिए हम इनको कनेक्ट करते हैं ताकि डिजायर्ड कैपेसिटर का वैल्यू, कैपेसिटेंस का वैल्यू हमें मिल सके सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में और पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में अकॉर्डिंगली द नीड ऑफ द सर्किट. So series combination first of all we are discussing, and total capacitance we are finding. Let us considering C1, C2, C3 capacitors are connected in series combination. Across these capacitors V1, V2, V3 are the potential drops, potential differences across C1 capacitor, across C2 capacitor, and across C3 capacitor respectively. So what the net capacitance of that network becomes, as we know that Q equals to CV for the capacitance equation. So for the first capacitor of capacitance C1, what the equation becomes, across C1 capacitor potential drop is V1, so the equation becomes as Q equals to C1 V1. Similarly for the second capacitor, equation becomes as C2 V2, and similarly for the third capacitor, Q equals to C3 V3, and so on. These equations becomes for the different capacitors जो हमने सीरीज में कॉम्बिनेशंस कर रखे हैं. But the net charge, total charge equals to Q1 plus वो तो different thing है कर, तो Q equals to C1 plus C1 V1, Q equals to C2 V2, and Q equals to C3 V3, and so on. So these are the charges distributed, but the same charge we see. So what the capacitance is become, total capacitance हमने different निकालना है, but here just we are seeing that potential drop is distributed. That is the point to be noted. Potential drop is distributed. So potential drop, net potential drop, not the charge. So net potential drop equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So just using the value of the from these equations, V1, V2, V3, from these results we can write the values of V1, V2, V3 just to find out the total capacitance of that network. So for the net potential drop, V equals to Q by C. V equals to Q by C. So using these values in that equation, what the equation becomes? Q by C, where C is the total capacitance value, CS, series combination. Just we can write. So what the V1 value becomes? V1 equals to Q by C1. And furthermore equation, can we solve Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. These values becomes like that. So what the net capacitance of that network becomes? So Q will be cancelled out through. So 1 upon CS equals to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. So for that network of the series combination, the total capacitance becomes like that. 1 upon CS equals to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. So from that equation we can conclude that the net capacitance, if the capacitors are connected in series combination, net capacitance will go on decreasing. Net capacitance will go on decreasing. तो इस तरह से हम जोड़ते हैं सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में कैपेसिटर्स को, डिफरेंट कैपेसिटर्स को, total capacitance will be decreased. For the desired values, we can use these combinations for the different circuits, and similarly for the net capacitance becomes for the parallel combination. So what the equation becomes? इस तरह का इसमें बन जाता है. So then the equation for the capacitance parallel combination. Let us again considering that the different capacitors are connected in parallel combination of capacities C1, C2 and C3 respectively. across the potential drop V. So across the all capacitors now, the potential drop from the source is V, because these are different capacitors connected in parallel combination. इस तरह से रेजिस्टर्स पैरेलल में जोड़ते हैं, ठीक उसी तरह से टोटल नेट जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है दैट इज सेम अक्रॉस ऑल द कैपेसिटर्स ऑफ कैपेसिटी C1, C2, C3 and so on. We can connect further capacitors like that in parallel combination as well as in series combination. So the different charges Q1, Q2, Q3, due to according to the Kirchhoff rules, the different current values will flow across the all different capacitors. So the charge will be distributed in this network Q1, Q2 and Q3. So what the net capacity of this network becomes now, as the equation is Q is equal to CV for the first capacitance of capacitance C1, potential drop V and charge is Q1. So what the capacity, the equation of the capacitor becomes for that combination Q equals to CV. So Q1 equals to C1 V1, V1 V2 V3, same for all the capacitors. So similarly this equation becomes for the further capacitors. Q2 equals to C2V, Q3 equals to C3V and so on. But the net charge distributed should be equal to the total charge. That is Q equals to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. So now again using these equations, these results, in this equation what the total charge becomes, and from there, from that equation we can find out the net capacity value in the parallel combination. Now this one is about the parallel combination. Parallel combination. What the capacity now becomes? So using these results, Q equals to CV, that is the parallel combination, capacity of the parallel combination, CP instead of VP. So Q1, C1V, using these values, Q2, C2V, Q3, C3V. So again from this equation V will be cancelled out. So what is the value becomes for the parallel combination? C equals to C1 plus C2 plus C3. That becomes the net capacitance value for that network, and we can see that from this equation, the parallel combination equation, that net capacity value for a different network combined in the parallel combinations, the different capacitors, the net capacity will be increased. So in the different networks, where the net capacity should be increased, we should have to connect the different capacitors in the parallel combination. And in the different combinations, if the capacity of the network is decreased, so we'll connect the different capacitors in the series combination. These are the desired values, series of parallel combinations. So in the different networks, we can use the desired combination as we need. So that is about the series and parallel combination of the capacitors.